In this video, we will show you how to have different footers in each page in Word. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. First, put your cursor at the beginning of the page where you want a different footer. For example, start at the beginning of the second page before any text. Go to the Layout tab at the top, click on Breaks, then choose Next Page under Section Breaks. Do this for each page where you want a different footer. Move to the next page, place your cursor before any text and select Next Page under Section Breaks. Once you have done that, double click at the bottom of the page to open the footer area. Type in your footer text. For example, type hi. At first, all pages will have the same footer. To change this, go to page 2. Click in the footer area, then go to the header and footer tab at the top of Word. Click on link to previous to unlink the footers. Now you can type something different like hello. Repeat these steps for each page where you want a different footer. Now you can see that all of your footers are different. It's that simple. Thanks for watching.